Hi, my name is Ben Walker, founder of Inspire, Life-Changing Accountants, and I've got another frequently asked question about JobKeeper. This one says, are employers, do they have to pay superannuation on the JobKeeper payments? Now, I'm going to talk generally here, and I guess there's kind of a few different categories that your team members might be in. The first one is team members that have been stood down. Now, they're currently not working for the business and they're not giving any hours or that sort of thing. But you still need to pay them the minimum $1,500 per fortnight to receive JobKeeper payment for them. Now, any top-up amounts like that, or the full $1,500 if your employee has been stood down, there's actually no super on that at all. Which is great. So let's take the example though of someone who might be working part-time, 1 or 2 days a week, and instead of receiving, that they might be receiving about $500 a fortnight. But keep in mind, you have to top up their pay to that $1,500 a fortnight for them and you to be eligible for the JobKeeper payment. So with them, let's say they're working still and they're earning that $500. Now, on that $500, that's what you'd normally pay super on. But any top-up amounts to take them up to that JobKeeper level, there's actually no superannuation requirements on that, which is great. Now that's the second one. Let's take a third example. So a third example of someone who's getting paid more than $1,500 a fortnight and they're still working for the business. So they're not stood down and they haven't been terminated, of course. Now they're already getting more than the minimum $1,500 per fortnight. And if they're working, then yes, you still have to pay superannuation on their salary or their wages. So there's sort of three relatively common examples. So if they're stood down, then no, you don't have to pay them on the minimum JobKeeper payment. If they're earning something but not the $1,500 and you have to top up their wage, you pay super just on what they've earned, not on that top up. And if someone's earning more than the JobKeeper and still working, then of course that's no rules have changed there. There's still superannuation on their amount there. Thanks for listening.